Hey, what's up, you freaking idiots? I'm Dr. Kieran Faris. I went to Edmonds Community College and graduated with a PhD in food, and I'm ready to drop some serious knowledge on you about genetically modified foods. I hope you're ready to have your mind freaking blown. So, genetically modified foods are defined as foods produced from genetically modified organisms. Well, at this point, you may be wondering, what the heck are genetically modified organisms? Well, I'm here to tell you that I have absolutely no freaking idea. So let's look it up. Here we are. Genetically modified organisms are organisms in which the genetic material has been altered in a way that does not occur naturally by mating or natural recombination. Okay, so now to the average person, that makes absolutely no sense. But luckily, I'm such a freaking genius that I think I can explain it to you peasants in a way that your puny brains can comprehend. Here's an example. This is my dog, Ellie. Ellie is a purebred golden retriever. This means that she's been conceived with the sole purpose of being as pure of a golden retriever as possible. In other words, her parents are both purebred golden retrievers as well. Dog breeders do this to ensure that the dog will have a healthy, happy life and to charge you a metric crap ton of money. Breeders can purebreed dogs because all they need to do is have two dogs mate and then let nature run its course, if you know what I'm saying. However, if the breeder requires special traits in the dog that are not achievable through the normal reproduction process, they must alter the genetics of the dog. Genetic engineers simply apply these concepts, but to crops. Introducing new genes to crops can have many positive effects on the agricultural process, such as higher crop yields, reduced farm costs, increased farm profit, a safer environment, and more nutritious foods. Some examples of these genetically modified crops are non-browning apples, non-bruising potatoes, and healthier soybean oils. But again, that probably makes no sense to you freaking degenerates. So let me just, hold on, let me just get an example. Alright, so here I have an apple. I'm sure most of you have seen an apple before. It's a fruit, and you eat it. You put it in your mouth and you eat it. It's a food. See it? Yeah. Fresh from the grocery store. $2.99. Okay, now forget everything I just told you. This is a potato, okay? So this potato has not been genetically modified. It's just a freaking normal potato. Because this is just a normal potato, I'll be able to smash it with this mallet. If this was a genetically modified potato, you wouldn't be able to bruise it. It's a non-bruising potato. But this isn't a non-bruising potato. This is just a normal potato. So watch what happens when I smash this potato with this mallet. Alright, and don't try this at home. Oh my god. So you see when I brought my mallet down onto the apple, potato, it exploded because it's just a normal potato. If it was genetically modified, it wouldn't explode. How cool is that? Well, okay, now I gotta clean up, so I'll be right back. GM crops. Is that what we were talking about? Yeah. GM crops are engineered one of two ways. The first method involves a gene gun. Yeah. So the DNA that you want to introduce into the plant cells is like coated on these particles of gold or tungsten, and then you shoot them into the plant cells, You pump them full of lead, and this will incorporate the gene into the DNA of the plant. The second method uses a bacterium to insert the gene of interest into the DNA of the plant. Alright, what's next? Careers. Yeah, okay, sorry, it's getting a little late. Kind of tired. The main job for this field of work would be a genetic engineer. Genetic engineers alter the genetics of stuff, like I was talking about earlier. Put genes and genomes. You know, they're the guys that make the the glow-in-the-dark cats. One of the most genius innovations of the past few decades is glow-in-the-dark cats. They put this gene from a jellyfish that makes them glow into the genome of the cats, so they glow. So obviously, that's had a huge effect on the scientific community. Oh! Is that a freaking onion? Let me just address my final topic, which is education. So to become a genetic engineer, your bare minimum education will be a bachelor's degree in biochemistry, biophysics, molecular biology, or molecular genetics. But in most cases, it will be most beneficial to have a master's or a doctorate. Like me, I have a doctorate in food. Doctorate in food. I gotta be honest with you guys. I didn't make this video to teach you stuff or help you learn about something that you're interested in or passionate about. Nah. I made this video to show you how freaking smart I am. Thanks for watching.